In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech. We'll walk through the interface together so you can turn any written script into natural-sounding audio with confidence. Start by heading to the ElevenLabs homepage. On the dashboard, look for the Pinned section. This is a quick access area that keeps your most used tools handy. From there, select Text-to-Speech to open the main workspace. In the editor, type your script or paste text you've prepared elsewhere. Clear punctuation, full stops, and paragraph breaks help the voice sound more lifelike, so it's worth tidying your text before you proceed. If you prefer a quick start, you can also choose from the Get Started with options to load a basic setup and adjust from there. Now let's fine-tune the sound and settings. Begin by choosing a voice. Pick a tone that matches your project, whether that's warm and friendly for narration or crisp and professional for training content. Next, choose a model. Different models are optimized for various use cases. Select the one that best fits your language and quality needs. Adjust speed to control pacing. Slightly slower can improve clarity for instructional material, while a faster setting can add energy to short promos. Stability influences how consistent the delivery stays across the entire read. Higher values keep the voice steady, while lower values allow more variation. Similarity adjusts how closely the output adheres to the chosen voice's core character. Style exaggeration increases expressiveness. Use this when you want more emotion or emphasis. Language override tells the system which language to use, which is helpful if your text includes multiple languages or names that benefit from a specific pronunciation. Choose your output format next. A common choice is compressed audio for everyday use or a higher fidelity format for editing. Speaker boost can subtly enhance presence so the voice stands out in a mix. When everything looks right, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will create your audio using the text and settings you selected. And that's how to use the platform end-to-end, simple, flexible, and ready for your next project.